Hi everyone, I am Halima Sadi from Semester 6 Department of Education. Today I am going to discuss about electrolysis. Electrolysis, the process of chemical decomposition or breakdown of an electrolyte in a molten state or aqueous solution by passing electric current. Redox reaction involved in this process. Non-spontaneous reaction occur. Requirements: 2 electrodes, battery, molten solution, electrolytic tank. Importance of electrolysis. Electrolysis is used in the extraction of metals from their ores. It is used for refining certain metals such as copper and zinc. Production of many metals or non-metals in industry. Electroplating, the method of coating one metal with another metal. Cell used in electrolysis: Nelson cell, dry cell, Down cell. Example: electrolysis of molten lead bromide. Lead bromide is an ionic compound. Lead bromide consists of lead cation and bromide anion. In solid lead bromide, these ions don't move freely but are held in fixed position in lattice. It can only conduct electricity when dissolved in molten solution. A bulb is connected to the circuit to show when the electricity is flowing. Carbon electrodes are used because it will not react with the product formed. When the current passed through the molten lead bromide, Pb cation and bromide anion is formed. Bromide anion which are negatively charged are attracted to positive anode. Lead cation which are positively charged are attracted to negative and cathode anode. Bromide ion move toward anode. An anode, each bromide ion will release an electron to form a neutral bromine atom. Two bromine atoms combine to form bromine gas. Thus bromine gas evolve at anode. Cathode. Lead cation is attached to cathode. At the cathode, each lead ion accepts 2 electrons to form lead, hence silvery lead globule deposited. Half equation. Half equation is used to show the reaction occur at the anode or cathode. Anode. Bromine ions release an electron to form bromine ion. Br will give us Br plus electron negative. Two bromine atoms combine to form bromine gas atom Br2. Half equation 2Br will give us Br2 plus 2 electron negative. Cathode. Lead ion Pb2 plus accept 2 electrons to form lead atom. Half equation Pb2 plus 2 electron negative will give us Pb. Combining the overall equation represents the electrolysis of molten lead bromide. Anode 2Br will give us Br2 plus 2 electron negative. Cathode Pb2 plus 2 electron negative will give us Pb. Pb2 plus 2 electron 2Br negative will give us Pb plus 2 Br2. Thank you.